Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix too many operations on Litmatch app. So if you also want to fix too many operations on Litmatch app, this video is just for you. Follow this simple process and you'll be able to fix it. So first of all, make sure your Litmatch application is updated. For that, go to Play Store. You can see over here Play Store is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to see the search bar. All you have to do is tap on it. Now search for Litmatch. You'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to find the Litmatch application. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see two options, uninstall and open. If your app is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to see update option. All you have to do is tap on it. And after that, your application will be updated. And your problem should be fixed now. If your problem is still not fixed, what you have to do is long press on the Litmatch application. You'll be able to find the option for app info over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several options. You'll have to go to storage and cache option. You'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see options for clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. Now your cache will be cleared and your problem should be fixed now. If your problem is still not fixed, what you have to do is uninstall the app and reinstall the app again. So that is how you fix too many operations in Litmatch app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.